Health and hygiene.
When one or more organs or systems of the body fail to function normally, that state is called disease. In humans, all the diseases can be classified as congenital diseases. Congenital diseases or birth defects are disorders that are present at the time of birth. Acquired diseases. These are the diseases which develop after the birth. On the basis of cause of spreading, the diseases can be of two types. 1. Communicable or infectious diseases. 2. Non-communicable or non-infectious diseases.
Communicable diseases. The diseases that spread from one infected person to another healthy person are called communicable diseases or infectious diseases. Microscopic organisms, also called germs, cause the diseases. The microorganisms include bacteria, virus, fungi, and protozoa. The diseases caused by the microorganisms have been summarized in table. Diseases caused by microorganisms. Disease, symptom, prevention. Bacteria. Diphtheria, an acute and highly infectious disease affecting children, characterized by the formation of a false membrane in the passages of the upper respiratory system. Throat pain and cough, glottis is blocked and breathing becomes difficult, high fever. Patient is to be kept isolated. Liquid diet should be given. Boiled water for drinking. Vaccination. Cholera, epidemic disease caused by contamination of food and water. Spreads through germs carried by housefly. Vomiting and thirst, acute diarrhea, pain and fatigue, suppression of urine and dehydration. Boiled and saline water for drinking. Onion and mint juice should be given. Antibiotics and immunization. Tuberculosis, acute bacterial infections that primarily attack the lungs but may also affect the kidneys, bones, lymph nodes and brain. Coughing, chest pain, shortness of breath, loss of appetite, weight loss, fever and fatigue. Tubercles are formed in affected area. Complete rest, balanced diet, improved hygienic conditions, BCG vaccine, antibiotics. Typhoid, spreads through water, food or diseased patient. Prolonged continuous fever, headache and uneasiness, slow pulse, small white eruptions appear on the body. Complete rest, complete isolation, milk and fruits diet, use of antibiotics, vaccination. Virus, cold, most common viral disease, spreads through contact or droplet infection. Coughing, sneezing. Headache, throat pain. Cough and fever with body pain. Complete rest, vitamin C should be given to increase resistance. Tea of ginger and tulsi. Polio, infectious viral disease that sometimes results in paralysis. The infection chiefly affects children. Infection can result in permanent paralysis of limbs. Polio vaccine. AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, spreads through sexual contact or infected syringes. Weakens the body, weakens the immune system. Antiretroviral therapies, post-exposure prevention, anti-HIV drugs, testing the blood for AIDS virus before transfusion. Chickenpox, caused by varicella zoster virus. The virus spreads through the air via infected droplets. Weakness, mild fever, rashes and blisters on the skin. Sanitation, isolation and prevention. Application of antiseptic cream. Lukewarm bath. Fungi, ringworm and itch, caused by mycelium of the fungus below the epidermis of skin. reddish spherical spots on the skin. Spots produce itching. Increases with moisture. Bath with antiseptic water. Local application of antifungal creams. Baldness caused by hereditary factors, aging and reaction to drugs. Partial or complete loss of hair. Baldness may spread over the entire head or it may occur only in spots. Use of antifungal cream. Transplant of hair. Protozoa. Dysentery. Acute and chronic disease of the large intestine of humans, caused by antiamoeba or some bacteria. Spreads through contaminated food and water. Frequent watery stools, sometimes containing blood and mucus. Dehydration. Proper sanitation. Food articles should be covered from dust and flies. Use of suitable drugs. Malaria, caused by Plasmodium, transmitted from person to person by the bite of female Anopheles mosquitoes. Chilling, shaking, periodic high fever and acute headache. Use of mosquito net or repellents. Control of mosquito breeding. Use of anti-malarial drugs such as quinine. Common communicable diseases. Some common communicable diseases, their symptoms and treatments are given here. Influenza. Influenza is a highly contagious viral disease. It results in flu epidemic. Symptoms. It affects the upper respiratory tract, nasal congestion and dry throat. Patient feels chills, fatigue, headache, pain in chest and joint. Treatment, bed rest, adequate fluid intake is must. Medicine aspirin should be given for fever and muscle pain. Measles, rubella. Measles is a common childhood disease caused by a virus which is highly communicable. Measles is usually spread by droplet infection and invasion is through the respiratory tract. Symptoms, eruption of small red spots, rubella, inflammation of the mucous membrane of the nose. Treatment, Schwartz vaccine includes immunity against measles. Nowadays, children are vaccinated after 15 months of age with combined vaccine called MMR, measles, mumps and rubella. Dengue fever, breakdown fever. Dengue fever is caused by an RNA virion of the
Flaviviridae that multiplies in white blood cells and platelets.
It is a tropical virus disease spread by the tiger mosquitoes. It is one of the dangerous diseases can and be detected by tourniquet test. Symptoms, high fever, frontal headache, pain behind eyes, muscles and joint pain, loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting, platelet counts slow down, measles-like rashes over chest and upper limb. Patient often reports sensation that their bones are breaking, hence named as breakbone fever. Treatment, elimination of mosquitoes. Adequate fluid intake is must with coconut water and fresh juices. Platelet transfusion. Chikungunya. The name chikungunya is derived from the Makonde word which means that which bends up, a reference to the stooped posture that develops due to arthritic symptoms of this disease. It is caused by buggy Greek virus. Till date, no vaccination is available. Symptoms, headache, fever, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, muscle pain, rash and joint pain. Treatment, painkiller for joint pains. Patients should be given paracetamol to reduce fever. Malaria. Malaria is a mosquito-borne disease caused by a protozoan blood parasite called Plasmodium. Female Anopheles mosquito spreads the disease because when mosquito bites the patient, these parasites enters mosquito's body and undergo further development. The parasite multiply there and stored in their salivary glands. When these mosquitoes bite a human, the parasite introduced into human body. Symptoms, shivering fever, headache, nausea, joint pain. Treatment, bed rest, elimination of mosquitoes, liquid diet, proper dose of quinine as prescribed by doctor. AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. AIDS was first reported in the USA by Dr. Gilolib in 1981. It is caused by the HIV virus, human immunodeficiency virus. HIV is very fragile virus. It cannot survive long periods of exposure outside the body. It spreads by sexual contact and contact with blood. The sharing of blood-contaminated needles is also one of the major causes. Even patients receive blood for treatment of medical illness, including packed red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, etc., may also be at the risk of HIV infection. Transmission of HIV from the mother to the newborn may also occur. Symptoms: swollen lymph nodes, fever, weight loss, weak immune system. Treatment: vaccines are not available. Treatment of AIDS with antiretroviral drugs is only effective. They can only prolong the life of the patient but cannot prevent death. Mode of transmission of diseases. The communicable diseases may be transmitted through these methods. Microorganisms. The diseases caused by the microorganisms have been summarized in the table. Contact. Some pathogens, something that can cause disease, spread from one person to another by direct contact, through body openings, mucous membranes, skin wounds, and they enter the second person through similar channels. For example, skin diseases, conjunctivirus, eye infection, lice, leprosy, AIDS, chickenpox, etc. Droplet infection. The germs of the diseases are transmitted through saliva, coughing, sneezing, and spitting. The viruses that cause respiratory diseases, such as influenza and the common cold, spread through moisture droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. A hand that was used to cover the mouth while coughing contains viruses that may be passed to doorknobs so that the next person when touches the doorknob has a chance of picking up the infectious agent. For example, cough, cold, tuberculosis, influenza, etc. Inoculation into skin. Many microorganisms may be inoculated directly into skin, such as rabies virus by biting of dog, hepatitis B virus through contaminated syringes, etc. Food and water. These are another important agencies to the spread of diseases. Many pathogens spread through contaminated food and water. The pathogens of cholera and typhoid spread through food and water contaminated with the excreta of infected people. Vector. Flies, mosquitoes, or insects cause some diseases, example, malaria, dengue, etc. The malarial parasite, for example, spends part of its life cycle in mosquitoes. When the mosquito bites the person, it enters a person's bloodstream. Other examples are filaria, plague, by rats, yellow fever, viral, etc. Prevention. Adopting these habits. One can control communicable diseases. 1. By consuming clean and safe water. 2. By eating fresh and warm food. Keep the food always covered. 3. By inhaling fresh air. 4. The utensils of infected persons should be washed by hot water. Healthy persons should not use these utensils. 5. By washing the hands frequently with medicated soap. 6. Use mosquito nets or repellents to protect from mosquitoes. 7. Vaccination course should be followed.